A big hand for Elvis impressionist Jerome. Okay.
Jerome Evardome.
Hello,
Yan.
good evening.
Oh, ang ganda ng hairdo mo ngayon, bago.
Okay. Pinayos lang.
You listen to this guy. When you listen to him, please close your eyes, okay? Because you can't tell between him and Elvis. He has an amazing voice, and a lot of people love him. So he's really making a name for himself. That's why in my Facebook alone, when I featured you here last week, well, last week or 2 weeks ago, maraming reaction, no? Na talagang they like kasi mga Elvis, marami kaming Elvis followers, no? Because every year we have 2 Elvis nights. His birthday and his death anniversary. Every year yan. So in January, we'll also have an Elvis night. But sabi na iba, do we have to wait till January? Why don't we feature Jerome and other idols, okay, other tribute sooner? So maybe November 18, we're shooting for that. But we're going to talk about it some more. We'll announce it. Okay, Jerome, ano ba? So marami ka ng gigs ngayon, no?
Yes po, sakto lang naman po.
Kita ko ang dami nakakagusto dito. So what's your first song?
American Trilogy po. Kasi since last time nag-My Way ako, Aloha ulit. American Trilogy.
Pakinggan talaga nyo ito. Amazing. Amazing. A big hand for Jerome. Come on. Come on.